I am Dr. Vinod Rajkumar. I am an orthopedic surgeon from Chennai. I have been doing lot of procedures and interventional procedures through blind technique, and most of the time, 50%, only 50% of the time I get results, and another 50% time I don't get results. So that is when I heard about this Asian Pain Institute, where the courses about ultrasound and interventional pain courses are being conducted. So I attended the course for the past 4 days. It is very informative course, and the hands-on training is extremely good, and learning the ultrasound from the basics itself is very nice. The first day itself, the basics of ultrasound was taught very well, and all the joint, shoulder joint, knee joint, elbow joint, all the wrist joint, all the major procedures, identification of anatomy of the every individual structures were very clearly taught by sirs. And I learned how to identify the structures, how to do the procedures, and also how to manage any complications which if any arises, and how the needle is inserted. Every each and everything was very clearly taught to me. And I also learned about the facetal joint injection and transforaminal injections, which are ultrasound guided, which are extremely great. And I never could understand all these days about how a transforaminal injection was given, which was very taught to me by Devdatta sir. It was very nice. I am extremely thankful for sirs for providing me such an opportunity to learn about the ultrasound based interventional procedures. Thank you.